Hello everyone, I'm Peter. In this video, I'm going to unbox a new smartwatch. It is the Kiwitime MT9 Ultra. Firstly, we can check the box. From the box, we can see that it is a 3D OLED and music watch. Then we can check the back. In the back, we can see the model name, the color, and the size, and also some information. The app is the My to Fit. Now let's open the box. Firstly, we see a menu. And inside we can see the watch, charger, and the strap. Now let's check the watch. This watch is also 49mm in the size, and the screen is 3D OLED screen. From the screen we can see that it is curved, not flat screen. And this watch also has the antenna line in the circle. And the right side it has 2 buttons and the hose and the microphone. And the back it has 4 real screws and 2 real lock buttons. And the left side it has the speaker and orange button and 2 holes. This watch is also very beautiful. And this is the silver color. So which color do you prefer? You can write in the comment. Now let's power on the watch. Firstly, we can see a language list. And then let's check the watch faces. We can rotate to change the color. And we can hold the round button to change the watch face. We can see that the bezel is also very small. Now let's check the quick actions. From the top to the bottom is the message notification. Left to the right is a split screen and the QR code. And from the bottom to the top is the control center. You can also customize the icons. You can remove or add back. From the right to the left is the data, heart rate, sleep monitor, weather, music. We can also change to the watch music or the phone music. And we can double click the screen to go to the voice assistant. Then we can press this round button to go to the main menu. Or we can press this long button to go to the recent task list. And also press this orange button to go to the sport mode. And we can also double press this round button to go to the voice assistant. And long press this long button to go to the turn off, restart, and emergency call function. It is very smooth. And we can zoom in and zoom out. Then we can double press to change the menu style. There is no sound to rotate this round button. It will vibrate. Totally it has 2 menu styles. Okay, now let's have a quick check on the functions. The information which is showing the incoming message notification, data, stopwatch, do not disturb, and dialer, and the physical training, timer. We can see that the animation is better than the Hello Watch 3, and the SpO2, body temperature, heart rate, sleep monitor, music, drain of water, menu style, about, and campers. And call log screen time, setting. It has the always on, and also the brightest screen and the screen time. And the sound setting, do not disturb, language, left key definition, we can customize the function of the orange button, and vibration SOS setting about reset. Instruct, which is the history of the function, the contact, counter, and the place whistle. And breath training, connect, alarm clock, find my phone, and click to shut down, reset. That's all those functions inside the watch, and this watch can support to DIY the logo from the app. Okay, above is all our details. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.